Hey everyone, this is Vicki from Messy Table Studio. My husband and I went to Dallas last weekend to Pegasus Creative Reuse store located at 1300 South Polk Street, number 274 in Dallas, Texas. I took some photos of things that I know I was interested in and for a couple of my friends. There were lots of people in there, so it was kind of hard to dodge people. It's not a large store, but it sure does pack a lot of stuff in a small space. I was thrilled to go and very excited to find this place. I'm so jealous of people who have these art centers because where I live, we have nothing like it. So now I'm going to show you my haul. Okay, so here's my haul from Pegasus. They tell you that you get a bag, and there's their little logo. I'm sorry, it's hard to see. There's their logo on the bag, and they're all up front as you go inside. It's in a strip mall. It's a very small little place. So I'm going to show you what my haul was. All right, first thing I did was look for knitting needles. So I found some to add to my collection. Now this is for my kitchen cabinets. I have sheet pans and stuff, and I'm sick and tired of moving stuff around, so I got this hoping that this will do it. If it doesn't work, then I'll hang it upright and I'll hang stuff off of it like that. Which either way, this will get used. Then I found, I think I got only one of them. I found a ruler. I like my husband to help me make those, these boxes. Hang on a second. These boxes out of the yardsticks. I didn't see any yardsticks, so I bought a ruler, and it might just be, you know, half the size of this one, but it's okay because I think they look cool. I can paint them, I can decoupage them, whatever. So there's my little token ruler. Next. Now, I am not a sewer, but I am good at gluing material onto boards to make books with. I found this material, and I don't know how much there is of it. I don't know if it's clean or dirty, but it has fruits and vegetables on it, and I just was drawn to it, so I got it. I just love all the stuff on there. And it tells you in the little banners, this one says pears, this is strawberries, blue strawberries, limes, bananas, pineapples. I really like this. So this you might see this on a future Artemat book, because that's what I bought it for. We'll see how that goes. The last thing I got were two books. This one is called 60 Quick Baby Knits, and since I have two small granddaughters, I thought this might be something to add to my baby arsenal. And this one is Lace One Skein Wonders. I don't think I have a lot of One Skein Wonders, but I don't have the Lace One Skein Wonders. There's a lot of charts in here. I don't know, they kind of make me nervous. We'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, they have some written instructions in them. But I want to add this to my library of One Skein Wonders. And there's some baby stuff in here. So this book alone cost $18.95 in the US. And this book costs $17.95. So for all the stuff that I got, I paid $20. Now, it might seem it's a little high, but I think it was worth it because one book alone would have been $20 if I had bought it retail somewhere. And even if you think about, well, you paid $10 a book or $5 a book, that's $10. And where am I going to get material like this for $5? Joann's is kind of cleaned out. That's done. And this wood piece, yeah. Yardsticks here run, let's see, how much are they? $4 for a yardstick. And then the knitting needles, of course, they're miscellaneous. I don't think any of them are the same size. And so the concept of this place is that you get a bag as you go in and you put stuff in the bag. There's no prices on anything, so you basically make a donation to pay for your stuff. And the rule is it's one donation per bag, or one swipe of your card per bag. They don't say, well, you got 2 bags of stuff. What do you think the 2 bags are worth? No, it's one bag, one purchase. So you put it in this little bag right here, and then you fill it up. I thought that was really cool. I enjoyed going. It's about 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's in Oak Cliff in Dallas. It's called Pegasus Creative Reuse. It's the first recycle art store that I found that's close enough to me to even go to. So it was a nice little trip this morning to go out there and putter around, dig through all the stuff, and then just turn around and come right back home so Hub can watch the Kentucky Derby and I'll be in here knitting. So I thought I would share my haul with you because I don't usually do hauls, on a video, but because this stuff was used from a used art store and I see so many people going to use them, and I'm so jealous because they're so cool. I would reuse stuff. So as you see from all the pictures, it's a really cool place. It's a very small store, very small. And there's a lot of stuff. You are just overwhelmed when you get in. You have to dig through stuff. It's like going to an antique store and then digging through all the buckets and things. It's really cool. I really enjoyed going. I don't know if I'll go back anytime soon, but I wanted the experience to know what other people are talking about when they go to places like that. And I thought it was totally cool. Okay, well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a comment. Thanks. Bye.